Hello friends, welcome back in my video. In this video I am going to teach you about numbers. So let's proceed with the first topic, natural numbers. So natural numbers are those numbers which start from 1. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinitive. Why they are called natural numbers? If you will ask a person that say counting, he will start from 1, not from 0. He will say 1, 2, 3, 4 and like that. He will not start from 0. This comes naturally from his inside. That's why it is known as natural number. This is a trick so that you can learn it properly. The next topic is whole numbers. Whole numbers are numbers which starts from 0, and these numbers, whole numbers, include 0 plus all natural number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinitive. Whole numbers are called whole numbers because up to 9 the counting was done. Means up to 9 the counting was made in. After 9 which number will come? So 0 was made at that time. And when 0 was made, the whole counting was completed. Means the whole counting was done. So that why it is known as whole numbers. For example, if you will take any number, suppose 3,72,000. This number contains the digits from 0 to 9. And not only this number, all the numbers contain digits from 0 to 9. Now, let's see the third topic. Integers. Integers include negative numbers, all negative number, plus 0 plus all positive number. Suppose you are a shopkeeper and someone has given you 2. So you will write 2 rupees. 2 rupees someone has given you, so you will write 2 rupees given. Means someone has given you, means someone have given you 2 rupees. And if someone will take 2 rupees, you will write 2 rupees taken. And when you will sit to calculate the whole earning, you will find a confusion that you have given someone 2 rupees or whether the person have given you 2 rupees. So that signs are made in math. So you will write 2 rupees given. Someone has given you 2 rupees means plus 2 rupees. And someone has taken 2 rupees from you means you will write minus 2 rupees. And when you will calculate, you will get 0 means the earning of the day is 0. So these signs are used. 2 negative number plus positive number and 0. 0 is neither negative nor positive. Example, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, etc. Here also it is infinitive and here also it is infinitive. Next, the fourth topic is prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers which have 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. For example, 11. 11 is divisible by 1 and 11 only. No other number is a factor of 11, so 11 is a prime number. The prime number starts from 2. Prime number starts from 2, and the only even prime number is 2. Prime number starts with 2 and the only even prime number is 2. Now the fifth topic is composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers which have more than 2 factors. For example, 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. How many factors are there? 6 factors are there. Means they 20 have more than 2 factors, so 20 is a composite number. The composite number starts with 4. Now the sixth topic, even numbers. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. For example, 232, it is divisible by 2, so it is even number. The even numbers will always ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. This is an example. The unit place is 2. 2. Seventh topic is odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. For example, 631. This is not divisible by 2. Unit place of odd numbers is always odd. For example, 631, the unit place 1 is also odd number. Eighth topic is co-prime. So the numbers which have only 1 as their common factor are co-prime. For example, 2 and 3. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factor of 3, 1 and 3. The common factor is 1. So 2 and 3 is co-prime. Today's topic is covered. We will meet in the next video. Bye.